Good morning, dear student. Welcome to the math session, that is lesson number 3, Indices and Cube root. Indices and cube root. Points to remember. Points to remember. First of all, now we are taking 2:3. 2:3. 2 is considered as, this 2 is considered as base, and this 3 is considered as index or raised to or ratio. Last one is power. Here the product means multiplication. Product means multiplication. Product means multiplication. Therefore 2 is multiplied by how many times? That is 3 times. 2 into 2 into 2. Therefore 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. Therefore 2:3 is equals to how much? 8. Their value is 8. Here 2 is considered as base and 3 is considered as index, raised to or ratio or power. Okay, the product means multiplication. 2 is multiplied by how many times? That is 3 times, means 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Next, law of indices. Next is law of indices. If m and n is any integer, if m and n is an integer. Okay, first of all, law of indices. First one, if m and n is integer, if m and n is integers, therefore a raised to m or a power m into a raised to or rise to the power of m into a to the power of n is equals to a to the power of m plus n. Next, here now we are taking one example. 2:3 into 2:4 or 2:3 or 2:4 to the power of 3 or to the power of 3 into 2 the power of 4 to the raised to 3 into 2 the raised to 4. Here first of all, a is given here a value is 2. Here a is given, here also a value is 2. Next, m value is given, m is 3. Here n value is given 4. Therefore here a value is 2. In first side the a value is 2 and m value is given how much? That is 3. Here also a ratio n or a raised to n, other a to the power of n or a index n. Here a value is given 2 and n value is given 4. Now we will put in this formula. A means 2, n means 3 into a means, here also a means 2 and n means 4. This n is 4. Therefore Here A means, A value is given, that is 2. A value is given, that is 2. Therefore, m plus n, this is m plus n means m value is given how much? 3 plus n value is given 4. Therefore, 2 ratio 3 plus 4 means 2 ratio 7. 2 ratio 7. Therefore, 2 ratio 7 means 2 is multiplied by how many times? That is 7 times. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. 2 is multiplied by how many times? That is 7 times. Therefore, 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 16 2s are 32. 32 2s are 64. 64 2s are 128. Therefore, 2 ratio 7 means their value is 128. Their value is 128. Next, second law of indices. Second law of indices. First of all, now we write a raised to m upon a raised to n is equals to a raised to m minus n. A raised to m minus n. Therefore, 2 ratio 3 upon 2 ratio 2 is equals to 2 means 2 is a value is given 2. Here a value is given 2 and m value is 3. Next, in here this one is numerator and this one is denominator. In denominator side, a value is given. A value is how much? 2. And next n value is given. N value is how much? That is 2. N is equals to 2. Therefore, now we will put in this form. Okay, 2 ratio a means a value is given 2 and m value is given 3 upon here a value is given 2 and n value is given 2. Therefore, 2 is as it is. A means a value is given, a value is 2. 2 in 2 ratio our power our index are raised to. Therefore, m value is given, m is how much? 3 minus n is given how much? N is 2. Therefore, 2 ratio 3 minus 2 is equals to 2 ratio 1. 2 ratio 1. Next, here third indices, law of indices. Third law of indices. A into B whole ratio m is equals to a raised to m or a to the power of m into b to the power of m. Here example is given 2 into 3 whole square. That means this is considered as a and this is considered as b and m is considered as 2. Okay, here a value is given. A value is how much? A value is given 2. M value is given. M value is how much? M value is given 2. Multiply. B value is given. B is how much? 3. B is 3. M value is given. M value is how much? That is 2. Therefore, 2 square. 2 square is 4. 2 square is 4. And 3 square. 3 square is 9. Therefore, 4 nines are 36. 4 nines are 36. Next, fourth law of indices. A ratio 0. That means any number or any letter, their power is 0 means their value is 1. Their value is 1. For example, 1000 ratio 0 means their value is 1. 1991, their ratio 0 means their value is 1. Any alphabet or any number, their power is 0 means their value is 1. Their value is 1. Next, 10,000. Their power is 0 means their value is 1. Next, 19,991. Their power is 0. Their power is 0 means their value is also 1. Next, a to the power of 0 means this is also 1, and q to the power 0 is equals to 1. R to the power 0 is equals to 1. Any alphabet or any number, their power is 0 means their value is 1. Their value is 1. Next, fifth property or fifth law of indices. A raised to or a to the power of m whole ratio n or whole to the power of n. A into m into n. A m n. Okay. A to the power of m into n is mn. Mn. Therefore, here a is given. A is how much? 2. A is 2. Next, m is given. M is equals to 3. Therefore, m is equals to 2. Here, now we will put in this form. Okay. 2 means here a means 2. This a means 2. To the power of m means 3. Whole to the power n means their power is 2. Whole power 2 is equals to 2 into m into n means this is m into n means 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. Therefore, 2 to the power of 6. Therefore, 2 to the power of 6. Next, sixth one. A ratio minus 1 or a raised to minus m. 6 is equals to our sixth law of indices. A ratio minus m. A ratio minus m or a raised to minus m or a to the power minus m or a index minus m. This minus m is converted into positive. Okay. Now, first 1 upon, when we are taking 1 upon, the minus m is converted into plus m. Therefore, a to the power ratio m means minus m. This is in minus sign means when we are taking the divide sign, the sign is changed. Now we will take 1 upon a ratio m. 1 upon a ratio m. Therefore, here also, in example also, 1 upon this sign, when we are taking 1 upon, the sign is changes. Plus 2 minus and minus 2 plus 2 ratio. The sign change means here minus 3 means now we are taking here plus 3, because when their position is changes, their sign also changes. Here is in the power, here is in denominator. Here is numerator means here in denominator. Reciprocal or opposite. Next, a upon b. Seventh law of indices. A upon b whole raised to m or whole to the power m. A to the power m upon b to the power m. B to the power m. Here, now we are taking a is given, a is equals to 2, and b is given, b is how much? 3, and m is given how much? M is given 4. M is given 4. Therefore, now we will write this one. A raised to m. A value is given 2. M value is given 4 upon b raised to m. B means 3. Power n means 4. A to the power of m means a value is 2 as it is, m value is 4 as it is, upon b to the power m means b as it is, b value is 3 as it is, and m value is 4. Therefore 2 to the power of 4 means 2 is multiplied by 4 times. 2 is multiplied by 4 times upon 3 also multiplied by 4 times. That is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, here 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81. Final answer is 16 upon 81. Next, 8th question. A upon B minus n is equals to. Here, now we will interchange the alphabets. Interchange alphabets. That means A upon B to B upon A, because this minus n is converted into plus n. Okay. First of all, now we are taking B upon A means this minus A upon B whole ratio minus n here. Now we will convert this minus m to positive m. Therefore, now we will interchange this alphabet B to A and A to B. B upon A whole ratio m, because when the position changes means, when the position changes of alphabet means their sign also changes. Therefore, A upon B whole ratio minus n is equals to B upon A whole ratio m. Here also. Now, here also now we will interchange. Now we will interchange 2 upon 5 to 5 upon 2. 5 upon 2. Minus 2 is as it is here. 2 upon 5 minus 2 is converted into 2 upon 5. Here 2 upon 5 whole ratio minus 2 means this minus 2 is converted into plus 2 when the number is interchanged. When the number is interchanged. 5 upon 2 means 5 upon 2 means this number is interchanged. That means their position changes means their sign also changes. Therefore, 5 upon 2 whole square. Therefore, 5 is multiplied by how many times? 2 times. 5 into 5 upon 2 into 2. Therefore, 5 5s are 25 and 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. Practice set number 3.1. Question number first. Express the following numbers in index form. Index means power raised to. Power raised to our ratio. Okay. Here square root 2. Square root 2 means, square root means this is considered as square root, a radical. This is considered as a radical. Empty, this sign is considered as radical. And square root, this is considered their square root means here their power is 2. Now we write 2. Empty sign is considered as radical. Root 2. Root 2 means square root 2. This one is square root 2 means root 2 is equals to 2 to the power 1 upon 2. This one is, this root is converted into 1 upon 2 in ratio or in index form. Root 2 is, now we will write in this form 1 upon 2. Okay, suppose here root 3 means, root 3 means their power is 2. Square root of 3. Square root of 3 means square means their power is 2. Their power is 2. Therefore, 3 as it is. Now we will write in index form. This one is 1 upon 2. 3 ratio 1 upon 2. 3 ratio 1 upon 2 or 3 to the power of 1 upon 2. Here given square root 2. Square root 2 means this one is square root 2. Their power is 2. Square means their power is 2. Square means any number or any alphabet their power is 2. Cube means any number or any alphabet their power is 3. Therefore, here now we will write 2 means now we will write in index form. Index means their power 2 to the power of. Here 2 means now root 2 is converted into 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2. Fifth root of 13 here given. Fifth is as it is root 13. Fifth root 13 is equals to. Now we write 13 as it is. This 13 as it is. This fifth root is converted into 1 upon 5. 1 upon 5. Here root 2 is there. Now square root is there. Root 2 are square root. Square means their square is converted into 1 upon 2. Here fifth root is converted into 1 upon 5. Here also sixth root of 9. Sixth root 9 means this. Now we will write this 9 as it is. This sixth root is converted into 1 upon 6 according to rule. According to rule. 6 root 9 means 9 whole power the power 1 upon 6. Next, square root of 256. Sorry, square root of 256. Square root of 256. Square means 2. Square means 2. Square root of 256. 256 as it is. Now we will write 1 upon 2. This square is converted into 1 upon 2 in index form. Here cube root of 13. Cube root of 13. Sorry, 17. Cube root of 17. This now we will write this 17 is as it is. This cube is converted into 1 upon 3. 1 upon 3. This cube is converted into 1 upon 3. 8th root of 100. 8th root of 100. That means 8 as it is. Root of 100 as it is. Now we will write 100 as it is. Whole to the power of 1 upon 8. This root 8 is converted into 1 upon 8 in index form. 7th root of 30. 7th root of 30. Now we will write this 30 as it is. This 7th root is converted into 1 upon 7. 1 upon 7. Next, second question. Write in the form nth root of a in each of the following numbers. First of all, this number is converted into nth root a. Therefore, this is nth root a. Nth root a. Here, fourth root means this is n is equals to 4. Fourth root means 1 upon 4 means fourth root 81. Okay. Fourth root 81 means now we write first. Fourth root 81 is this one. Fourth root 81. Fourth root 81. Therefore, n value is given 4 and a value is given how much? 81. 81. Therefore, fourth root, this one, fourth root 81, fourth root of 81. This is the answer. Okay, next. Here also, nth root a. Root is given. Root is how much? Square root. Square root. N to root a is equals to n value is given. Square root. Square root 49. Therefore, n value is how much? 2. And a value is given how much? 49. Therefore, square root, this one is considered as square root of 49. Square root of 49. Next, here fifth root. This is considered as fifth root. Nth root a. Nth root a means fifth root 15. Fifth root 15. A is equals to how much? A is equals to 15. This one is A is equals to 15. And nth value, that means root value, fifth root. Fifth root means n is equals to how much? 5. N is equals to 5. Next, therefore, fifth root 15. Fifth root 15. Here, that ninth root 5, 12. Ninth root 5 of 5, 12. Of 5, 12. Here 19th root 19th root, how much? 100. 19th root of 100. Next, last one is this one, 6 whole ratio 1 upon 7 means seventh root of 6. This is the sixth whole ratio 1 upon 7 means this is the seventh root of 6. Seventh root of